Hey there, ambitious professionals. Welcome to Tara Nawa's channel, where careers take flight. Today, we're beyond thrilled to share an incredible milestone with you. Our e-Recruitment database has soared past 86,000 job seekers. But this isn't just about us. It's about you, our amazing community. Your support, your shares, your likes, and your word-of-mouth recommendations have fueled this growth. Every single one of you has played a part in making this happen, and we cannot thank you enough. This milestone is more than a number. It's a testament to the power of connection, opportunity, and the belief that the right job is out there for everyone. So let's keep the momentum going. Like, share, and subscribe, because together, we're shaping futures. Here's to the next big leap. Stay tuned for more information about the database. Accessing the Tara Nawa e-Recruitment database is simple. Head over to www.taranawa.com, and once there, hover over the Products and Services menu. Click on e-Recruitment Solution, then scroll down and click on the image that matches what you see on your screen now. This will open the database along with powerful Power BI reports. What's inside? This report showcases our comprehensive database of job seekers, employers, and vacancies, equipped with advanced filtering and analysis tools to help you uncover valuable insights effortlessly. And of course, your privacy remains our top priority, ensuring all sensitive information is securely protected. Unlock powerful insights with interactive charts and slicers. Our charts and data slicers are fully interactive, dynamically filtering data as you explore. With countless filtering combinations, you can uncover highly targeted insights in just a few clicks. Here are a few ways you can use the filters. Find qualified candidates. Display handicapped job seekers with a degree or postgraduate qualification based in a specific location who are currently unemployed and within a chosen age range and gender. Narrow down applicants. View candidates who applied for human resources roles, but only within a particular region. Analyze vacancies, see all geology-related job openings, and track the number of applications received. And that's just the beginning. The possibilities are endless. Customize your search and gain deeper insights effortlessly. Explore the Open Vacancies Report. One of the most valuable reports in our database is the Open Vacancies Report. It gives you real-time insights into which employers are currently hiring, vacancy titles and job details, closing dates for applications, number of applicants who have applied so far. And that's just the beginning. This powerful report offers so much more, helping you stay ahead in the job market. Stay tuned as we dive deeper into its features and show you how to make the most of it. Want to learn more about Tara Nawa's recruitment solution? We're here to help. If you'd like to explore how our recruitment solution and database can work for you, simply send us an email via the Contact Us page on our website, www.taranawa.com. Give us a call at +264 64 400 and 2403. Check the video description for all our contact details. Sending warm greetings from the sunny shores of Swakopmund. Keep striving, stay motivated, and go make an impact. Until next time, your next big move starts now.